What's going on, people? This is Tasherre Reacts from Computer Music Academy, and yes, I am here to react to the newly announced Maschine Jam by Native Instruments. And a lot of you know me. You know that I am a huge proponent and advocate and fan of Maschine, and I have been since the beginning, since it was originally announced, and I actually got my first Maschine, the MK1. I think it might have been a few days before it actually released. So I've been around for a while. I'm very interested in seeing what's going on with this jam. Now, I've seen the intro video, which is actually pretty cool, but I was doing some research on the website, and there's some stuff on the site that I don't think a lot of people have seen. Because you go over here, you get feature details, comparison chart, specifications, and videos and sounds. And there's a lot of people reacting to this, and I don't think they've actually seen what this thing is fully capable of. They just say, this is a push knockoff, blah, blah. But what I'm going to do is actually watch these videos with you, in case you haven't seen them, and give you my thoughts. And I'm actually going to probably do a separate video giving my reaction, my full thoughts on it. So let's check out this jam workflow right here and see what this thing is all about.
Welcome to the Maschine Jam workflow videos. In this workflow video, we'll demonstrate how you can creatively experiment with different song parts. The directional pad and encoder allows you to navigate within a large, dedicated browser window on your computer screen.
Okay, so it has a separate browser. Nice.
By default, Jam's 8x8 ClickPad matrix displays the project view, showing all available musical elements of a song project.
Those are ClickPads.
The column of 8 ClickPads above the Smart Strip lets you select different variations of a musical element. These are called patterns. All patterns in a column belong to the same group of sounds.
Yeah, just like scenes.
Get creative and come up with new and exciting combinations. Any combination of patterns can be saved to the pads in the upper row and recalled on demand.
Oh, the scenes act like snapshots. I like that. Oh, that's dope. Okay.
Each of these combinations, or scenes, can be duplicated, modified, or deleted. This also applies to all existing patterns.
Okay. So far, I'm interested. I really like what I'm seeing so far. It's a bit different. And yes, it's obviously modeled after the Ableton Push and Push 2, but it definitely has some exclusive features, specifically for the Jam. Okay, let's keep it moving.
Welcome to the Maschine Jam workflow videos. In this workflow video, we'll demonstrate how to sculpt sounds with Maschine's new Perform effects by using the Smart Strips. Maschine's all-new Perform effects have been expertly designed for Maschine Jam's unique Smart Strips. Multiple advanced effect algorithms can be easily selected from the hardware and provide a set of rigorous sound shaping tools. Intuitively touch a strip to activate and tweak the effect, and lift your finger to make it disappear.
Wow, okay. Okay.
Each single effect algorithm can be fine-tuned in detail using the strips in control mode.
Wow, that's crazy.
Jam's professional perform effects make your musical elements come alive and inspire new ways to shape and interact with them.
Now, that's nice. I like that. Built in, what I want to say, it almost operates like XY pad. If you've ever dealt with an XY pad on something like the Korg products, like the Chaos pad. That's pretty damn cool. I like that. Okay, they have more on the smart strips. Let's see. I like that.
In this workflow video, we'll demonstrate how to play notes in a completely new way by using the smart strips. One of Maschine Jam's unique and most forward-thinking feature is the ability to play notes on the smart strips in a way that feels like strumming a guitar. This is very useful with traditional sounds, but becomes stunning with more advanced sounds. In Notes mode, each of the 8 strips represents a chord. This allows for perfect progressions in the selected scale and musical gestures never before possible. Just think outside the box.
That's crazy.
Best of all, chords can be conveniently customized using Maschine Jam's click pad matrix.
Oh! That's dope. That is dope. Oh, okay. I see some usage for that. Yes, I do. Let's keep it moving.
In this workflow video, we'll demonstrate Maschine Jam's advanced multi-track step sequencer. Maschine Jam comes with a very versatile step sequencer for drums and melodies. By default, one individual sound is selected to be programmed using the 8x8 clickpad matrix. But the step sequencer can be extended to 4 simultaneous sounds in parallel lanes.
Really?
And lastly, the 8 sound mode is a perfect solution to sequence even more Maschine Jam sounds at once, but also comprehensive instruments like contact or battery. For melodies and chords, Jam's piano roll mode is the tool of choice. Here, the horizontal axis represents time, while the vertical axis represents pitch. Don't hesitate to punch in notes directly using the matrix.
Wow. Holy crap. That's pretty sick. Oh. Yeah, they have some features that are pretty sick, man. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Ooh. Now, let's look at this. This is what's most important to me right here. Let's check this out.
Welcome to the Maschine Jam workflow videos. In this workflow video, we'll demonstrate how Maschine Jam perfectly complements your existing Maschine setup. Combine your existing Maschine, Maschine Micro, and Maschine Studio controller with Jam for an even faster and direct workflow. For example, benefit from direct access to scenes and patterns.
Yes.
Add multi-touch input to your existing setup with Maschine Jam's smart strips to enable new performance and sound sculpting possibilities. Maschine Jam's 8x8 matrix allows you to step sequence while playing pads, editing samples, or tweaking instruments on Maschine. Useful complementary features, such as the lock feature and a powerful variation engine, integrate perfectly with the Maschine workflow. At all times, both devices will share a common focus to get the most control over your tracks.
I like that. And then it locks them in tune, in sync.
The Maschine family's interchangeable features let you personalize your music production experience with a wide spectrum of interconnected workflows to explore.
That is sick. That is very, very sick. So they've put a nice amount of energy, time, thought into this joint. It's not just a knockoff of the Push or the Push 2. Yes, again, modeled after, but this definitely fits within the Maschine workflow. I like what I'm seeing so far. So I'm going to end this video and I'm going to work on my thoughts video to actually bring out specific things that I want to talk about. And I like what I'm seeing so far, though. I am very, very impressed. So let me get on that, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya.